Session 33. Inequalities on a number line. The statement x is greater than 3 describes every value to the right of 3, but not 3 itself. An open circle excludes the boundary. A filled circle includes it. The arrow shows the direction of all other values that satisfy the inequality. By the end, you'll read all 4 inequality symbols, choose open or filled endpoints, draw the correct arrow, translate words, and solve a simple inequality. Less than and greater than use open boundaries. Less than or equal to and greater than or equal to use filled boundaries. On a number line, smaller values lie to the left and larger values lie to the right. The boundary number anchors the circle. Inequalities describe limits and ranges rather than one exact value. An age rule such as at least 12 includes 12 in every greater age. A budget of less than 50 excludes 50 and allows smaller amounts. A temperature no higher than 0 includes 0 and every value below it. The circle tells you whether the boundary value itself is allowed. The arrow tells you whether solutions become smaller to the left or larger to the right. Testing the boundary and one value on the arrow side quickly checks whether your graph matches the statement. Graph x is greater than 2. Place the boundary at 2. Use an open circle because greater than does not include 2. Draw the arrow to the right because the solutions are larger than 2. Graph x is less than or equal to -1. The boundary is -1. Use a filled circle because the words or equal to include the boundary. Draw the arrow left towards smaller values. -1, -2, and -3 all satisfy it. Translate 2 phrases. At least 5 means 5 or more. At least 5 becomes x greater than or equal to 5, a filled circle with an arrow right. Below -2 becomes x less than -2, an open circle with an arrow left. Complete example. Solve 2x plus 1 is less than 9, then graph the solution. Subtract 1 from both sides to get 2x is less than 8. Divide both sides by +2. The inequality stays in the same direction, giving x less than 4. Graph an open circle at 4 and an arrow to the left. 4 is excluded, while values such as 3 are included. Don't fill the circle for a strict less than or greater than sign. The boundary is excluded. Don't point right just because the symbol looks like an arrow. Use the meaning, smaller left, larger right. And don't graph only the boundary. An inequality represents an entire array of values. Practice question 1. Which inequality means values greater than -2? Option A is x less than or equal to -2. Option B is x less than -2. Option C is x greater than -2. Option D is x greater than -2. Pause. Decide whether the boundary is included and which direction the values extend. Option C is correct. X is greater than -2. Greater than is strict, so use an open circle at -2 and point the arrow right. Practice question 2. A graph has a filled circle at 4 and an arrow left. Option A is x less than or equal to 4. Option B is x less than 4. Option C is x greater than 4. Option D is x greater than or equal to 4. Pause, read the filled boundary and the leftward direction separately. Option A is correct. X is less than or equal to 4. The filled circle includes 4, and the left arrow includes every smaller value. Practice question 3. Solve 3x plus 2 is less than 14. Option A is x less than 16. Option B is x greater than 4. Option C is x less than or equal to 4. Option D is x less than 4. Pause, subtract 2, divide by 3, then choose the correct boundary. Option D is correct. X is less than 4. Subtract 2 to get 3x less than 12, then divide by +3. Use an open circle at 4 and arrow left. Let's wrap up. Open circles exclude a boundary. Filled circles include it. Smaller values extend left and larger values extend right from the boundary. Translate the words carefully, solve with balanced operations, and test a value from your graph. Keep going with Year 7 Maths at Bridge to exam.com.